Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we will talk about one of the shortlisted aircraft to deliver trainer aircraft to the Philippine Air Force, the L-39 But before we start, subscribe to our channel and like our video. Let's start. The recent visit of Czech Republic Prime Minister Petr Fiala in the Philippines discussed opportunities for further cooperation between the two countries, particularly in the business sector such as agriculture, aviation, transportation, space technologies, defense, and security. Czech also expressed support for Philippine Armed Forces modernization. The Philippine Air Force is currently looking for a replacement for the outdated S-211s, which are primarily used to train fighter pilots. Czech offered the L-39 as replacement. This aircraft is perfectly suited to the Philippine Air Force's training doctrine, which is now undergoing major modernization. Aero maintains its position as a leader in the jet training sector, with a track record of 11,000 aircraft manufactured over the last 100 years, a considerable existing fleet of L-39 Albatrosses, and a brand new aircraft, the L-39 The L-39 concept has various advantages for the Philippine Air Force. The comprehensive training system, which encompasses the L-39 aircraft, pilot and ground staff training, simulation solutions, innovative maintenance concepts, and weapon systems, is one of its major strengths. Right now, the PAF has only 4 operational S-211. Will the L-39 the next turbojet trainer of the Philippine Air Force? Write your comment below. We hope you found this video informative, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.